Hello everyone and welcome to Real Life Unboxing. In today's video we're going over another fantastic Teckin security camera. This one is the Teckin Shooter Security Cam 1080p HD outdoor security camera. The most interesting Wi-Fi camera. Like I said, it is the Teckin Shooter, but I have also done the Teckin Click and the Teckin Roll video as well. All of the Teckin products I have went over and reviewed on my channel have been fantastic, so I'm hoping that this one is the same exact experience as I've had with all the others. Let's go ahead and get into today's video. And here is the camera. Let's go ahead and pull that off. Set that to the side. And now the camera itself looks amazing. It is a Wi-Fi camera as well, so you can use it as such. Here is the actual charging port, and it is actually hardwired directly into the unit itself, so you will always have this cord attached to it. Let's go ahead and put that right there, and then we'll grab all the other hardware out as well. That is the wall mount. This will screw to it once you mount this onto whatever wall you would like your camera to be placed on. Then we also have the antenna right here. That's what that's for. That's for the antenna. Okay, that's for the antenna, and then here's the charging port itself, and our anchor and screw set, plus our Teckin Cam security camera Euro user manual. First of all, we're going to go ahead and attach our antenna to it. This is a 1080p Wi-Fi home surveillance camera with night vision, motion, and sound detection. It's also got two-way audio. It's waterproof. It works with Alexa and Google Assistant. Plus, it has cloud storage and optional SD storage as well. There is the port for the SD card. And if you want to get to that SD card slot, I guess you would just have to take something very small and just put it in there and pop these out a little bit. And once those come out, we should be able to access the SD card. Okay, and then under there are two little tiny screws. Take those off and then go ahead and place your SD card up to 128 gigabytes inside of there as well, so that will make for a great storage capacity for all of your captures. But I don't have my small screwdriver set with me right now, so I'm going to go ahead and put these back in. The Teckin Shooter looks actually very modern. It looks really nice. The actual knob right here is very well built. The Teckin Shooter can be installed anywhere you want in one step. Change the position, only need to turn it slightly, and the shooter can be installed to other places without any other tools. Simple and convenient. The Teckin Shooter is equipped with a 2 megapixel high definition lens and 1080 high definition picture quality, which can be clearly seen at night as well as during the day. You can connect the Teckin app to a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi connection and control everything at your home at any time, no matter where you are. The whole body of the Teckin Shooter is IP65 waterproof, and you don't need to worry about the rain or snow affecting the monitoring when you place it outdoors. So the 360-degree rotation and 108-degree wide angle monitors provide you with all-around monitoring support, and there is a detection for motion and sound. The Teckin Shooter has excellent motion detection and sound monitoring functions. When a moving object is automatically detected, it will sound an alarm and record it in the Teckin app, allowing you to look back at any time. There is cloud service, and as I stated before, there's also a micro SD card. Teckin Cam both provides T-Cloud and SD card storage. This allows you to record the video and sound to dual storage locations. Teckin offers many preferential packages through the T-Cloud that can suit your needs as well. As far as this camera, let's go ahead and open up the Teckin app and go ahead and get it connected and get it set up. Alright, now since we have the camera on and the Teckin app open, let's go ahead and add this device. We'll go right there, and then you can see that there's electrical, lighting, and cam. We'll go press cam, and then Teckin Click, Roll, or Shooter. We will go ahead and press the shooter. Our red indicator light seems to be flashing, so let's go ahead and press red light flashing and connect it to our network. Once we have it connected to our network, we will then need to scan this QR code, which needs to be 8 to 10 inches away from the camera when we go to scan it. I'm having a little bit trouble connecting via the QR code, so I'm going to go ahead and connect in AP mode, where you can connect your phone using the device's hotspot and your phone setting. Now it's on the way to pairing, and everything is working just fine. So now we're back on the right track and looking good, guys. Can't wait to see the quality of this Teckin Cam, so just stick around a little bit and we'll wait on it to pair up. Now since it has been paired successfully, let's go ahead and name it and then press next, and it should go ahead and show us our feed. Yep, and now there is our feed. Absolutely fantastic quality, just as the Teckin Click and the Teckin Roll has. Amazing quality on the camera. A little bit of a disclaimer for you all, Teckin did actually send this camera to me for free for me to review for you all, so shout out to Teckin for one, and I will leave a link down in the description below for you to check out this camera as well as other Teckin products. I want to thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Real Life Unboxing for more products with real life applications. Smash that notification bell to stay up to date on our newest uploads, and as always, keep it real.